Hello. What's your name, please?
My name's Claire Dupont.
I'm Sarah Taylor. Welcome to the class.
Thank you.
Hello, my name's Marco.
Hi, I'm Lynn.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Open your book.
Look at page 10.
Match the words to the pictures.
Read the article.
Answer the questions.
Check your answers.
Listen and practice.
Work in pairs.
Work in groups.
Fill in the gaps.
Don't write.
Close your book.
Hello. Sorry I'm late.
No problem. What's your first name?
It's Pablo.
What's your surname?
Ruano.
How do you spell that?
R-U-A-N-O.
Welcome to the class, Pablo.
Thank you.
Hello? Is this the English class?
Yes, it is.
Oh, good. I'm sorry I'm late.
No problem. What's your first name?
Isabel.
How do you spell that?
I-S-A-B-E-L.
And what's your surname?
It's Boutron.
And how do you spell that?
B-O-U-T-R-O-N.
Thanks, Isabel. Welcome to the class.
Hello. Sorry I'm late.
No problem. What's your name?
My name's Pavel.
Is that your first name?
Yes?
How do you spell that, please?
P-A-V-E-L.
And what's your surname, Pavel?
Stepanov.
Okay. And how do you spell that?
S-T-E-P-A-N-O-V.
S-T-E-P-A-N-O-V. Thanks. Welcome to the class, Pavel.
Thank you.
What's your first name? What's your surname? How do you spell that?
Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday.
Bye, Lynn.
Goodbye. See you on Thursday.
Yes, see you.
Hello, John.
Hi, Carol. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, thanks.
Elena, this is Roberto.
Hello, Elena.
Nice to meet you.
And you?
Brazil. Brazilian.
Australia. Australian.
Argentina. Argentinian.
The USA. American.
Germany. German.
Italy. Italian.
Mexico. Mexican.
Russia. Russian.
The UK. British.
Spain. Spanish.
Poland. Polish.
Turkey. Turkish.
China. Chinese.
Japan. Japanese.
France. French.
Good morning. What's your name, please?
It's Maria Favia.
And where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
What are your names, please?
My name's Joe Hill, and this is Susan West.
Where are you from?
We're from the USA.
Welcome to the conference. You're in room C. Where's he from?
He's from Mexico.
Okay. And where's she from?
She's from Australia.
Right. And where are they from?
They're from Spain, I think.
I'm from Italy.
You're in room C.
He's from Mexico.
She's from Australia.
It's Maria Favia.
We're from the USA.
They're from Spain. Where are you from?
Where's he from?
Where's she from?
What's your name?
What are your names?
Where are they from?
My name's Carol. What are your names? Our names are Joe and Susan. What are their names? His name's David. Her name's Molly.
Hello. What are your names, please?
My name's Karen Jansen.
How do you spell your surname, please?
It's Jansen.
Right.
And I'm Peter Iverson. That's Iveson.
Okay. And where are you from?
We're from the UK.
Okay, here are your name cards.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. What's your name, please?
My name's Murat Demirlek.
Okay. How do you spell your surname?
Demirlek.
Demirlek. Right. And where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Okay. Here's your name card. Enjoy the conference.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Are you here for the conference?
Yes, my name's Dorota Koprowska.
And how do you spell your surname, please?
Koprowska.
Koprowska. And where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Here's your name card.
Thank you very much.